PPC versus SEO. Which is the better investment? Often clients ask, what is the difference between PPC and SEO? Or we are asked, do I need SEO because PPC is sufficient? Discover what is the best solution or solutions from Patrick Malamater, the founder of the patented Online Marketing Mastery Formula. He answered this question in one of Fairtech's workshops. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it.
Now let's compare SEO versus pay-per-click. Everybody remembers what is pay-per-click? This is those paid advertising to be on top. Yeah. So let's compare this, because I hear sometimes people telling, yeah, SEO is finished, we should do pay-per-click. If you do pay-per-click, the great advantage of this, immediately you will get nearly full result of your investment. Yeah. So you will immediately start generating leads. Then after, of course, you fine-tune, it will continue to go slightly up thanks to the fine-tuning, but after some time it will start to go slowly down. Why? Because pay-per-click is getting every month more expensive and more expensive. You have to pay more every month for it. Why? Again, because everybody realizes, oh, I need to be online. The fastest way to be online is by doing advertising. And this is a bidding system. Yeah? The more people come, the higher gets the price. If you stop, and that's the big problem with pay-per-click, if you stop, it goes immediately down. Yeah? Because the advertising is not there, you have no more income. Yeah? So it becomes suddenly like a drug that you have always to inject if you want to keep this business coming. I don't say pay-per-click is not good, but this is the naked truth about it. Immediate result, you have to inject all the time, and you will have to inject, if you want the same result, always a little bit more, because when you stop, you're gone. If now I compare with SEO, so with the same budget, for example, then after 1 month you will have probably with SEO nothing that you feel. Yeah? Then after it will start to go up, and then you see for many months you will get less out than you will getting this pay-per-click, because it needs reaction time, and Google needs to discover your page, and other people must discover it, and this is something that is linking up. But one day you will cross this line where you get the same outcome that's with pay-per-click, and there it will not stop. It will continue to grow indefinitely if you have the right strategy where you always pile up on top of each other. So that's the big difference with SEO key, this regularity that you will get. Now to reach this point, that's depend, because I always get this question, because here people, when they have to invest, how long does it take till I get it? This is very different from industry to industry and from country to country, and your target and how long it takes to convert your customer. Yeah? If a lead takes 1 year to convert, then it will take long till you get also your money back. Yeah? But it will continue to grow and grow and grow. Yeah? But it's between 3 months and 1 year, usually, where we cross this line, that we get more result. Yeah? Alex Grima, who could not come today, on his website, after 3 months, we doubled the amount of leads he was generating, and he's a very dynamic company that works very well, but he had also a well-organized website, so we could immediately get good result. After 3 months, we doubled his lead, and after 3 months again, so after 6 months since the beginning, he confirmed that we doubled also his sales, thanks to that. Yeah. So, but he had also a fast reaction time from lead to sale. Yeah. So it depends from business to business. Yeah. So what is the learning here with SEO versus pay-per-click? So pay-per-click will give fast result. So this is good to kickstart a project, get fast result. This is good to test the market. So before you invest too much in it, run some ad, see how much demand is it. The same with the keyword. We saw that we should test with the keywords, find a good keyword. Pay-per-click is ideal. It can make you save 2 years of research for your keywords by just running a pay-per-click campaign. You see how people are coming, but then you can also see, do they convert? Do they become a lead? Do they become a client? And once you're sure, then you use this in SEO, as SEO needs reaction time, so it will save easily 6 months to 2 years in your keyword research. So pay-per-click is a very important part to use. So SEO, the second learning, SEO is much cheaper on the long run, and it grows indefinitely if you pile up with the right strategy. The combination of both is ideal. This is what will give you fast result, speed up your SEO thanks to the research, and but you must use the same strategy. It must be not one person doing the pay-per-click and one person doing the SEO. If it's two different persons, they must communicate together in order to test the keywords. They are good, I pass them over for SEO. And when SEO start to have a good position, then I stop doing advertising on that, and then I try another keyword. So that's how it grows and you get the best result.
If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at the best agency for paid ads, PPC, and search engine marketing. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.